For number 11, convert 70 liters per second into cubic meters per minute. So I have 70 liters per second, and once again, per equals 1 unit. Okay, so, and we want to change this into cubic meters per minute. And a cubic meter is simply a cube, but each side length is 1 meter tall. So that's longer than a large yardstick. And so that's what we're changing it into. So this I'm going to use multiple conversion factors. Now on the top, I don't want liters, I want meters cubed. So that means I put liters on the bottom so I can cross cancel. And one of these cubic meters has 1,000 liters in it. Okay. Then, so now I have the right word on top. On the bottom, I don't want seconds, so to get rid of it, I put it on the top so I can cancel it. On the bottom, I actually want minutes, so I write minutes there. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So now I have my correct words, the others are all canceled, and I multiply. 70 times 60. Now let's do 7 times 6 is 42. Math is about making it easy, and add the 2 zeros. 4,200. On the bottom, 1,000 times 1 times 1, 1,000. Okay. Now I can cancel these zeros. I get 42 over 10, and my words, meters cubed per minute, and we want per minute, but this is 10 minutes. Per minute means 1 minute because per means 1. So to make 10 into 1, what do I do with 10 to make it into 1? We divide by 10. What do we do with the top number then? If we divide this by 10, we divide this by 10. So we have to do 42 divided by 10. So one way we can do that is 42, put our decimal point at the end. Always if it has no decimal point, it goes at the end after the ones. And to divide by 10, move back one place because 10 has 1 0. So 4.2 cubic meters per 1 minute. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this in some stages. I have 70 liters for 1 second. Now I'm just going to change one thing now to make it a shorter group of shorter problems. So let's get rid of seconds or liters. We can do either one. So if we do liters here, let's put that in the bottom, and we want on the top, we want cubic meters. So remember, this is the big cube. One big cube has 1,000 of these liters in it. So now we multiply 70 times 1, and the only word we have is meters cubed, and 1 times 1,000, and the word we have is seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out those zeros. So now I have 7 meters cubed over 100 seconds. And now I don't want seconds, I want minutes. So I have to get rid of seconds. So where do I put it here to get rid of it? At the top, so I can cross cancel it. And at the bottom, I'm going to have to replace it with minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. Okay. So I'm going to multiply 7 times 60. 7 times 6 is 42. Add a 0. Meters cubed. 100 times 1 is 100. Only word I have, minutes. Now I cross out the 0. I have 42 divided by 10, and I can always do 42 divided by 10. 10 goes into 42 4 times, which is 40, and gives me 2. Decimal point in 0. 10 goes in there twice, 4.2. So I get 4.2 cubic meters per minute, per 1 minute.